One person.
Throw sound effects.
Or
no, do two
people, two sounds.
Do 4 people. The 2 sounds, 2 people.
We can do that.
Okay. Who wants to do pretty much the experienced ones are the ones acting on the scene, but the inexperienced ones are making the sound effects. So anybody that wants to try.
Whatever.
Oh yeah. So anybody that wants to try making sound effects.
Okay, we have 2.
I'll make a
Lovely
sound.
audience members.
Sound effects. All right, come on up.
I got a sound effect for you.
Anybody else?
If the 2 people doing the sound effects could sit over here, that would be lovely.
Yeah. And then there's gonna be the other one making sound effects. And you guys are just gonna be making sound effects for the scene. I guess Bishop stepped out for a second.
Yeah.
So I will. Oh hey! Hi.
That's my husband.
Hi, husband.
Hi, husband. Alright, so I guess we'll be the ones in the scene. So I guess we gotta find out what a scene we're going to be.
What scene are we in?
Forest.
We're in the forest. What are we doing in the forest?
How about your hunting?
Who are we? We're hunters in the forest.
Love it.
Love it!
Love it.
So we're hunters in the forest.
We got no, we're not a big gay hunter. We think it's a great idea. Flamboyant hunters. I'm gonna say out there.
Why not?
All right.
So you go outside and you shoot this thing?
Yeah. Some people do it for sport.
It seems kind of dangerous.
Don't mess with the trigger. It'll go off. Good thing the safety was on.
Yeah, it was. Woo!
Did you just turn the safety off?
It has the mind of its own right there. Just waving things around.
Hey, careful that.
How? I feel like the animals are gonna hear us just walking around. I mean, listen to my feet walking around. It's really muddy. It's very muddy out here. Very noisy mud.
Let's see what my area sounds like.
I'm gonna walk in that area. You're stepping on like hot coals.
No, those
are snakes.
Hey!
What are we hunting again?
Apparently, okay.
What are these snakes?
It's a big one.
That's like a cat snake.
A cat. It's a hissing snake.
It's a hissing cat snake.
Don't most snakes hiss though?
But not like that.
Not like that.
No.
And it's giving me a weird look like most cats do, like, hey buddy, screw you.
You better put food in my bowl.
Yeah. Okay, get out of here, buddy. They don't.
Do you hear that?
They're hunting.
Fellow.
Oh, you hear that? Oh, he sounds adorable. There's a little chipmunk in the tree. Oh,
Okay, it's in the bush over here.
he's a very disgruntled chipmunk.
It's in the bush.
Oh, I thought he was in the tree.
Obviously, you're not a very experienced hunter like I.
I feel like I'm looking right at him. Little chipmunk.
So if that's a chipmunk, what's in the bush?
Somebody farted in the bush.
Sir, come out. We know you're here.
Ooh, that's nasty.
It's
Oh, it's got a certain aroma to it. Oh, if I could just bottle that up. Oh,
Here, put this around. Sling it.
Sling it?
Yeah, just
Sling it.
hold your rifle.
It's like a necklace. It's like oh! I shouldn't do that. That's really bad.
Hold my gun.
Okay. Oh! I shouldn't be holding these.
Just, hey, I'm gonna go check the bush.
It's like one of those video games where I'm dual wielding.
And how do those sound? How do those get a sound?
Like they sound like
They're silent.
they're silencers. They got sounds on them. You sound like
Wow, you can truly do a good gun.
I'm pretty good at gun.
Let's see. Okay, let me try. I went to college for this. But.
Hey.
Press it.
Looks like
Now, take your gun back. I brought back a certain call for the animal that we're hunting. I can't remember what animal that is, but this call is going to give us the exact noise that we need. So listen very carefully. I'll blow it only like 2 times. Apparently we're hunting quail. Let me blow it one more time. There might be. Oh, there's something stuck in it. Hold on. Okay, that's not. Yeah. Okay. Yep. That's like a heavy pea from vegetables.
That belongs under a mattress.
That belongs in a museum. All right. So we're gonna try to call again. That sounds more like
Duck.
duck. Oh, what? Duck? Let's try it again.
Okay.
I think we're surrounded. The geese know we're here.
Why? Right hand, left hand.
The snakes are attacking too. The geese and the snakes are ganging up on us.
I think the forest has band together.
Oh no, it's flooding!